Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off data saving mode in YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off data saving mode in YouTube, first open up your YouTube app on your phone, and on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there's a U button available for us just beside the subscription. Tap on the U button at the bottom right, and on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see the gear or the settings icon at the top right corner. Tap on the settings of the gear icon at the top right corner, and this kind of interface will appear, and you can see the third option where it says the data saving. Tap on the data saving at the third option, and you can see guys at the top of the screen where it says data saving mode, automatically adjust settings to save mobile data. In order to turn it off, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of it, and then your data saving mode in YouTube will be turned off. And guys, this is how to turn off data saving mode. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.